Today we're making cherry cinnamon popcorn. We're making cherry cinnamon popcorn today. And to do that, we're gonna be using this gold medal glaze pop product, Red Hot Cinnamon. We're also gonna be using gold medal glaze pop cherry pink. And we have 1.5 cups of corn oil and 3 cups of corn. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. This cherry cinnamon popcorn recipe was sent in to us by Schmitty's Kettle Corn, and there'll be a link to his channel down in the description below, so check him out. And he sent this in and said this is a favorite of his customers, so we're gonna give it a try and see how it is. All right, we're starting to pop. Now we're gonna add 1/2 cup of pink cherry and 1/2 cup of red cinnamon, and we'll give that a stir. Oh, that smells really good. Starting to foam up. Glaze pop always foams up when you put it in. It smells really good. It kind of takes away that sweetness of that real sweetness of the cherry, and then rounds it out with a little bit of that cinnamon. We're starting to pop now. All right, look at that. That looks so good. Let's give it a little stir. We'll put this down. It smells really good. You kind of just get a hint of the cinnamon in the background. All right, let's give it a try. Let's take a quick look at it first. Look at that coating that put on there. That glaze pop really does a nice job. All right, let's give it a try. Oh wow, that's really good. You know what's nice about that? Sometimes the cherry all by itself is a little overpowering and really, really sweet. This totally mellows that out, and it gives that little bit of hint of cinnamon in the background, that red hot cinnamon. Really great. Check out Schmitty's Kettle Corn. He sent in this one to us, so check out his link down in the description below. Thank you, Schmitty, for sending this in, and everybody else, go ahead and get popping.